What are you enjoying?
Second glass of cup.
So what happened, Gabe?
We catch a huge fish.
Just leave it inside.
Palais and engineering.
Yeah, engineering.
Hey guys, welcome to episode 6. We're here in Martinique at the moment in the marina doing a bit of work on our rigging. But firstly I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. We went from 300 subscribers to I think we're at 4,500 just this week, so I'm not sure what happened there, but thank you very much for subscribing. That gives us the motivation to keep going and continue to making these videos. So we're trying to catch up to real time. So in episode 5 we left you in Saba. From there we sailed to St. Kitts and we checked into a marina there. So hope you enjoy the episode. Coming into the marina though, we need Ben's going to be in the dinghy and help push us around in case we lose an engine. So we need maybe you two or maybe Deuce, you can help throwing and catching lines.
So
there's going to be no dock master there.
Which side we go?
We're gonna go stern and port side too. Okay, so let's get some lines ready, fenders ready. Port Zante Marina was our first ever night at the dock, and we were greeted by the friendliest people we had met in the Caribbean thus far. Customs was a breeze, and Charlie, the dock master, was an absolute legend.
You just break this?
Yeah.
Oh dude, why you break? You're not Guy, what happened? Guy, what did you do here? What did you prepare?
Water in the marina was only $15 with unlimited use, so we took full advantage of this luxury. Tomorrow morning early we're going to leave to Frigate Bay, which is the other sort of hot spot. We're going to anchor there, and there's a little dock there that we can use, not for too long, but we can lock the dinghy up there for most of the day. And then from there you guys can do whatever you want. But so there's some beach bars, there's a golf course, there's a fucking, it's all sort of right here. So Frigate Bay is where we're gonna hang out for that. Frigate Bay was where we first experienced the benefits of social media. One of our followers put us in touch with a local called Mark, who we met at the pub to talk surfing.
What's going on here?
Wi-Fi time. So someone saw our post on Facebook and then messaged us saying, hey, I'm on St. Kitts, I'm happy to show you around, and we want to meet up with him tonight. He said come for happy hour. Some epic surf coming this weekend as well. Saturday, Sunday. I looked on the forecast already, it's like 2.5 meter swell coming in from the south, so some of these points over here might be working. That's what we're here to find out more. Mark turned out to be such a generous dude, and we even extended our stay there just to go surfing with him.
Wish that I could stay, wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
So how long has it been that you got a proper surfing?
Haven't had weights in St. Bart's, which was like 2 weeks ago. It's pretty average as well, so we're pretty amped. Met Mark over here, who's been fucking showing us the road. But yeah, we're amped. There's a place called Sandy Bay, Sandy Beach, Sandy Point. Yeah, bro, stoked. Let's get into it.
You can't wait, eh? So let's go to the water.
St. Kitts has been my personal favourite island so far, heavily influenced by the kindness and generosity of the locals. Time seems to stand still here, and for me, this place oozes that Caribbean vibe in which we are all searching for. I would definitely recommend this place and would love to go back someday. The 1st of June brought a day to celebrate for Maria, where she explained she turned 23 plus 7.
morning.
Morning. Good morning.
I'm so happy.
A special day today or what?
Someone's birthday. Girl there. Taking her on a hike. And then we're going to go have a special dinner somewhere, I guess. I haven't really organised anything.
So it's kind of a surprise to you as well?
Yeah, I got to surprise myself.
Who do we have here? Good morning and happy birthday!
Thank you.
Are you excited for today? Sure. You?
What's special today?
I don't know.
We all took her to a teppanyaki restaurant where we had food thrown down our throats, and Maria showed us her egg flipping skills. Next to St. Kitts is Nevis, where we anchored there the night before our early sail to Montserrat. After losing a bunch of fishing gear, including a fishing rod, we reorganised our tackle box to try to get that big fish we were all searching for. So lucky for us, we had the fishing guru Guy on board.
It was maybe a really big fish.
It was quite a big fish because it took off really good.
Here is his detailed analysis of why his latest catch got away.
So what happened, Guy?
We catch a huge fish, but that fucking fish kicked the line, you know, and bite the line. So we lost the fish.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
It was the best moment of my day.
Fuck! Fuck!
It was the best. Really nice.
Love a dolphin. Such graceful creatures, aren't they?
A little bay, which is up in the northern end there. So we'll have to figure out if we can get a taxi or a bus or something. If we go to Richmond Hill and if we decide to go in, we have to go back to the observatory.
Yeah, to pick up the radio, yeah.
But
Pick up the radio.
the way we pick up the radio and then
But then, I would get the radio after I've confirmed with the police that I'm going in.
Once we were able to make sense of our taxi driver's explanation, we headed for the volcanic ruins in Montserrat.
The crater, lava, you know, active volcano observatory.
The volcano in Montserrat is still active, and we were made to take extra precautions when exploring Plymouth town. The live volcano started erupting in 1995 when the pyroclastic flows buried the town of Plymouth. 30 people died who apparently refused to evacuate the town beforehand. After the eruption, 2/3 of the island's population was forced to flee, leaving fewer than 1,200 people on the island. Seeing the town buried was a surreal sight and a reminder of the volatility of Mother Nature. Just saw that the town, it was buried. Some of the places were 4 stories deep in rock and mud and stuff. It's pretty cool to see, but now me and Maria are going to find a cafe and hang out for a bit, and I think the others might go for a hike. Not sure, but yeah.
So yeah, what have we got to do here, Guy? We got to hitchhike, right?
I'm gonna show you how it works.
So now we have to hitchhike, and he's going to show me how it works.
The big issue here is that there is no car actually, so
Yeah, that's what we have to deal with, I think.
I think so too.
Sometimes you can get
Yeah,
Mate.
every day.
And what do you do here?
After a couple of beers at the local pub, The boys couldn't find the hiking trails, so they went for a snorkel instead.
What are you enjoying?
Second class. A cup. Second cup.
In Renaissance Bay in Montserrat, we had the beach all to ourselves and had a fire and barbecue on the beach. This epitomizes what we are in search for here in the Caribbean. White sandy beaches with no one around.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
$2 per person, please.
Leave it inside.
Chilean engineering.
Yeah, engineering. Let's do your side. Push it.
We find quite a lot of cave, eh?
In the rock.
Better on this side, I don't know why.
I'm so good. Gets for.
Huh? Ah, that's disgusting.
Sick day here at Montserrat. Tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock we're leaving to get to Antigua. It's only 25 miles, but it's just off the wind, so we're probably going to do 2 tacks. So I'm allowing kind of 12 hours worst case scenario to get there. And then that's our next adventure.
Alright.
Loving it.
The corn, we leave them on the fire.
While you roam in the streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the sun.